Well, hey everybody, my name is Kevin Snyder, and I'm so thrilled to welcome you to the Lieutenant Governor's Travel Summit coming up in New Orleans on August 24th through the 26th. And although right now I'm here in my virtual studio based in Raleigh, North Carolina, I am so excited this event is going to be live and in person, which means I can get out of these crazy Zoom pants. I'm so thrilled to be one of the opening keynote speakers at this special event. You know, I've been able to present for over 1 million people through over 1,000 organizations in all 50 states and several countries. And although every audience is different, there are some favorites. And let me tell you something, Louisiana, y'all are one of my favorites. So I'm so excited to be with you. Get excited about this event, not just to re-energize, but also be reminded that what we do is important and also how we do it truly makes a difference. So I look forward to seeing you in New Orleans. And until then, take care. Bye.